Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we stopped here to create the user interface. Let me continue the video. So select the our package com project.view. Here I'm going to create right click new. Here I'm going to create this time not a JFrame. Instead of that, we have created the JPanel form here, right? The JPanel form I'm going to give here as a name is a target. This is a form tag. When you click this button, this form should be open. Click OK. Right. This form is created. Now let's expand the form a little bit bigger here like this. Right. Now here, what you're going to do is here I'm going to first I need a toolbar. So you have to get the toolbar from the tool palette. So where's the toolbar? Here is a toolbar. You have to drag it, drop it here. The toolbar, you have a button. So you have to drag the buttons as well. Here you can see the button. Here you can see the buttons. You have to put the buttons. Right button. Okay, here button you right click and edit text. You have to write whatever new. Right. So if you need another button, click select and put another button. This one the data saved. You have to drag and drop another button. This one should be the update. Right. You have to move the button. Right. Now after that, what you're going to do is another thing. We need to do the another thing is that we have to drag the split panel. This one. Drag and drop it here. Right. We have already did this one. Right. Now you have to increase the size a little bit like this. Right. You have to like this. Now here we have a this is the horizontal view. You have to what you're going to do is it's completely come to orientation. It's horizontal. You have to make it as vertical. It's coming this one. Now this view I'm going to drag one panel. Here also drag the panel below as well. Select the best one. Here you have to create the slit view here. You have divided as we have a 200. Press enter key. Now you can see here this 200 means here this one. Here we have little bit. We have to bigger, right? So this area I'm going to do the thing is you can see here this area. Here you can see here you can hear this is the if you want to check the design here it look like this, right? So frame look like this here design, right? So here I'm going to drag it the labels. So labels, I'm going to drag the labels first. Where's the labels? So drag the labels here. This one should be our which one is a label target name. Target name. Right. Second one should be the same thing. You control C to copy, control V to paste and get another copy. This one should be the target amount. This one amount. You make that amount. Third one should be control C to copy, control V. This one should be target date. Right. Perfect. This is how we have make the system. Now here this alt on shift key down and select all, right click and properties. You have to make the little bit increase the size of the font little bit 24. Or let's decrease the size little bit bigger 18 should be perfect. Right. Now here I'm going to drag the each text boxes to align it. The first one, right click properties. This one you will make it as 14. Right. So close it. Right click edit text backspace to remove the existing. Select again. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is we have to did the thing successfully. Now here I'm going to drag the uh, J table. So if you are drag the J table, you can see the J table is the J table. If you drag it here, you can see it's go below the line. You can see it's not fit at the screen. So what you're going to do is you have to double click on this. You can go here this frame. Here now you can drag it. Here it's go successfully. Right now here, now if you drag it, now here double click on this. Sorry, here you double click. It goes to the your frame. It will set successful. This is the beauty of your drag the split plan. This is how you make the project beauty. Okay, split plan using to do the project beauty. Okay, you have to use the split plan, right? Okay, right. Now what you're going to do is we have did the successfully. Now here are the things. Right click, table content. You have to write the row. We have to count all the things. So we have to make it as 0. First, out of the column, first one should be make it as ID. Second one should be the target name. So you have to make it as name, amount, date. You have to make it as a date. That's it. After that, you have to close it. Now it will be changed. Right. Successfully done the target part. Right. You click on this one, target. Uh, right. Perfect. It's well. Now what you're going to do is we have to do the another thing is that the target form I just copy it and paste it again. Paste here. This one you have a contribution. This contribution here also you have to write first one is the note, second one is the date, amount, target ID, amount. Third one should be the copy and paste it here, the target ID. This one should be the combo box, not a box. You have to make it as a combo box. You have to drag it the combo box over here. Select this one, select the model, delete them, press enter key. After that, what you're going to do is here. Right. After that, what you're going to do is here. Here you have to do the thing is here also you have to change this one, table content, columns, name. First one should be the note, date, amount, target ID. Right. You have to make it as target, not a tidy target. Yeah, just target. Right. That's it. Right. Perfect. We done the things perfect well. Right. Now what we're going to do is we have done the things. Two things are well. Let's go to our uh, main page of form. Right. A form. The main. This is a main form. Okay. So here, what you're going to do is the main form. When you click this one, this form it goes to the target. If you click this button, it goes to the contribution. Okay. The first thing what you're going to do is here, you have to do the thing is here. First thing I'm going to go to the main form. This is a main form. You click on this. Sorry. But go to the source. Source here you have to go to the main window. This is a main form. Here what you are going to do is here I'm going to look and feel of the application as a Windows program. It's no problem. It's take the Windows to look and feel, right? So after what you're going to do is second one I'm going to do it here. When you click this button, it goes to the form. So select, right click, event action perform. Here I would set it here as here. I'm going to set it. It goes to the which form? Target. So target form, you create the object target t equal new target. Right. Now here t dot. Now here we have tried not t. You have imported here this one. What's the name of this one? You have tried this button one. So here okay button one this one. Right. So it's the button one. Instead of button, you have right click this one as a split j split one pan. Okay. If you click on this one, j split pan one. So here you have to get this name. This j split one. Okay. So that j split one, j split what is the name you have given? J split one. Right. So you click on this. the same name I am put it here. Dot right set right component. You are making as this t over here, right? When you have take this one, let's check it. Click on this target. Okay, you can see here. It's go here. You can see here, right? So here, what you're going to do is let's increase the size a little bit bigger. Okay. Now let's you can see. Click on this. Now here it's adjust successfully. Here it's working perfectly well. This is how the software is working, right? So now again, I'm going to this one. You have click on this. The same thing. You just copy it. Click on this. You have to paste it here. This one also contribution. Contribution. Here also the contribution. It goes to the C. Here you the object C. I just create a C. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Click target. If I go to the contribution, it goes to contribution. It's working perfectly well. Right? It's working perfectly well. I hope you guys understood things well. I'll see you in my next video lecture. Thank you.